G'day cocktail lovers, this is a fruity tropical cocktail called an Edgewater Beach. It's got a lot of fruit elements in it. It's said to have some tinned peaches in it. It said 2 slices. I had diced tinned peaches, so I'm just putting a lump of tinned peaches in it. But when you're doing it, do it with 2 slices if you have sliced tinned peaches. It also uses the lime hull. So I deliberately saved a lime for this, so I'd have the lime hull to shake with the cocktail. It's also got 2 different rums, but I'm dying to try this, so let's give it a little taste. Ooh, yeah, this is, it's got some pretty beefy rum in it, but it's still on the light side, and the different fruits are working really well. I'll take you through the ingredients. There are 2 rums recommended for this. It's recommended to split it between an overproof rum. So I'm using Smith & Cross, a very funky Jamaican rum. What's that? That's 57%, I think. Navy strength rum. And this is an Australian gold rum from the Bricks distillery in Sydney. Much less funky, but is still a nice rum. There's also sweet vermouth in this, which I think is quite unusual for a tropical drink. It's one of the reasons I wanted to try it. Besides the fresh lime and the lime hulls and the peaches, it actually recommends raw cane sugar. Normally, I would use sugar syrup because I prefer not to get the little bits of sugar in the bottom of the glass. Some people really like that. They like to have that at the end. They like that it changes the sweetness as the drink goes by. I guess you do you, but I am using cane sugar for this, and I'll show you exactly how I made it. First, I'm squeezing some limes for the lime juice and putting the hulls right in the shaker, and then adding 15 mils of lime juice. Then I'm adding the tinned peaches and a tablespoon of raw cane sugar. Then I'm adding 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 mils of overproof rum, 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 mils of gold rum, and 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of sweet vermouth. Add ice to the shaker, shake that good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then I'm double straining that into a chilled Nick and Nora glass. If you like the idea of fruity pulp in your drink, you wouldn't double strain this. I prefer not to have fruity pulp in my cocktails, so I did the double straining, but it is really nice. It's surprisingly light, no one element's dominating. It's a really well-balanced cocktail. If you're in the mood for a tropical, fruity, rummy drink, you could do worse than the Edgewater Beach. I suggest you give it a go, and I suggest you come back and see me again when I'll be making all sorts of other cocktails. It's always something fun going on. I'm going to sit back and enjoy this. Hope you're enjoying yourself wherever you are, and until I see you again, I will say cheers.